Hi children, today we are going to learn about the History Chapter 1 French Revolution Part 2. The topic we are going to cover is French abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. That time, the situation in France continues to be tense during the following years. Although Louis XVI had signed the constitution, he entered into a secret discussion with the King of Prussia. Rulers of the neighboring countries to very worried by the development of the France and made plan to send troops to put down the events that had been taking place. In between, the National Assembly voted in April 1972 and declared war against Persia and Austria. The people of the France were singing Marseillaise, and now the Marseillaise is known as the national anthem of the France. And then apart from that, the men are very busy with the fighting work. The women were left to cope with the task of earning a living after and looking after the families. Large section of the peoples were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further as the constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section of the society. It means only the richer section got all the political rights. Political clubs became an important rallying point for people. The most successful of these are clubs were formed, and the clubs are known as Jacobins. These clubs are named from the former convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. The members of the Jacob Club belong mainly to the less prosperous section of the society. They include small shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, as well as servants and daily wage workers also. The leader was Maximilien Robespierre. See, he was a large group among the Jacobins decided to start wearing a long striped trousers similar to those worn by the drug workers. And in addition, they began to wear red cap that symbolized liberty. After then, the summer of 1972, the Jacobins planned an insurrection of the large number of Parisians who were angered by the short supply of high prices of food. On the morning of the August 10, they stormed the palace of the Tuileries, massacred the king's guard, and held the king himself as the hostage for several hours. After then, election was held. Now all of the men of 21 years and above, regardless of wealth, got the right to vote. In 1972, the new elected assembly was called conventions. On September 21, 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France as a republic. As now, a republic is a form of government where the people elect the government, including the head of the government. There is no hereditary monarchy there. After then, Louis XVI was sentenced to death by a court on the charge of treason. Treason means betrayal of one's country. And the Queen Maria also met to the same fate shortly later. And these are the image of the king and the queen. After then, in 1793 to 1794, it is referred to be the reign of terror. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All those whom he saw as being enemies of the republic, examples, nobles, syllogists, members of their political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with the party. They were arrested, imprisoned, and they tried to buy a revolutionary tribal. If the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. See, you can able to see this. A guillotine is a device consists of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. It was named after Dr. Glyton, who invented it. See, Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling of wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. All the peasants, farmers, are forced to transport their grains to the cities and sell it for the fixed price by the governments. The use of more expensive white flour was prohibited. All the citizens were required to eat equality bread only. Equality was also sought to be practiced from the forms of speech and address. Instead of traditional Monsieur, Sir and Madame, all the Frenchmen and women were henceforth called citizen. Here the churches were shut down and the buildings converted into barracks or offices. The Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794, arrested, and the next day he sent to the guillotine. After then, the fall of the Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize the power. A new middle class was formed. The previous day I told that the fall of the Jacobin government allowed these wealthier middle class to seize the power. A new constitution was introduced with denying the vote to non-proprietary section of the society also. It provided for 2 elected legislative councils. These then appointed a directory. An executive made up of 5 members. A directory is an executive made up of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of the powers in a one-man executive as under the Jacobins. The political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military director Napoleon Bonaparte. See, here is the Napoleon. The political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military director Napoleon. After then, through all of these changes in the form of the government, the ideal of freedom and the ideal of equality before the law and the law of fraternity remains inspiring ideas that motivated political movement in France and the rest of the France during the following century. Children, in the next topic, in the next part, we can able to know about the 4th and 5th subtopic. Likewise, did women have a revolution and the abolition of slavery and the revolution of the everyday life. We end this part now itself. I think you can able to follow all the chapters. Any mistake you can call me and you can chat me. Thank you children. Meet you in the next part. Bye.